Hi guys, welcome to Coding World. So in this lecture we will try to solve this problem reversing a list in Python without using a duplicate list. So let me comment the problem first. So I'll define a function reverse list which will take an argument list. So we will define two parameters as one as the start. So we'll give it 0 and one as the end, which will take the value length of list -1. So while start is less than end, we will reverse. So li of start comma li of end equal to li of end comma li of start. Start plus equals to 1, end minus equals to 1. We will return the result, return li, right? So we'll give a list equal to 1 2 3 4 5, and we will try to print that. Print reverse list of li. Get this li. So let us hit save and run this. Just wait, I will clear python test.py. So we have reversed the array or list, yeah. So we can do this using a single line. So let me try to print another array lis1 equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 6 7 8. So print lis1 is to -1. See, this is the simplest method that we can use to reverse an array without using a duplicate array. There is a predefined function also to reverse the list. Reverse, you can use that even, but in this video I have shown you just use without using any other method how you can reverse a list. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.